Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is our NordicTrack treadmill, and today I'm going to show you relatively quickly how to check the hours and the miles that have been put on it. We are selling this one. I'm going to show the new owner how to do that as well, but it's a pretty simple operation. Clearly the power is already on, and this is the safety key right down here. And what I'm going to do is remove the safety key, which is just a magnet. There's a little key symbol. And then I'll put this on a tripod to show you, but I'm going to press the stop button and hold it down while putting the key back on, and then we'll get a display of both the miles and the hours. And the miles will be in the time, and the incline section is going to show the hours. Let's put this on the tripod and get to it. Alright, so as I said earlier, we're going to hold the stop down. You should be able to see it. I'm going to hold stop down and then put the key on. And then take my finger off the stop, and here's what we see. We see that this says 545 hours for 868 miles. The E is going to be either an E for English units, that's miles, not kilometers, or M for metric. But it's got 545 hours, 868 miles, and it's set to English. The only thing to be wary of is for older treadmills, they only have the 3 digits here, so I don't know if that's 545 hours, 1,545 hours, 2,500 hours, or 860 miles, or 1,000 more increments, because it doesn't have that 4th thousandths digits. We've had this for about 10 years, and I think these numbers are 2 or 3 times lower than they should be. But if it's a newer treadmill, it'll give you a very accurate depiction of hours and mileage. So one more time. If you want to find out the hours and mileage, hold the stop down, put the key in, let go of the stop. 545 hours, 868 miles. This is set to English units. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.